So guys, showing it here one more timing game on the LeetCode Cam channel. So guys, in today's video, we are solving our question number 627 by the name of swap salary. Now you are thinking, in the previous video I solved 626 and in today's video we are solving 627 question. Okay, so now let's try to solve today's question. And one more thing I want to tell you that the today's question is also based on MySQL. We are solving this question in MySQL, and this is an easy one question which we are solving. And total 5,79,000 people had submitted it. Only 4,87 has been accepted, and there is only one topic I being included in these type of questions by the name of database. So yeah, this today's video question is also based on database. Okay, so now let's move to computer and let's start our today's video, and without wasting any time. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials, and please access my LeetCode Camp playlist and bookmark it also. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start with today's video, and like I have told you in today's video, we are solving a question number 627 by the name of swap salary. So in the previous video, we solved a question number 626 by the name of exchange seats, which is based on which we solve in SQL, in MySQL. So in today's question, we are also solving in MySQL, and this question will also be very similar to the next previous question. Okay, so now let's start to solve today's question in the LeetCode game website, and it has been given me a two scheme, one SQL and one pandas. So here is one SQL schema in which there is one ID, name, SEX, and then salary, and then there are the values. And there's one pandas scheme also. So there are two choices. If you want to solve in pandas, so solve it. If you want to solve in the LeetCode, so you can in MySQL, so you can solve it. Okay. So now let's start to solve it. But first of all, we understand the question. What is the question is trying to say? Then will be when we understand the logic of the question, that will be start to solve in the LeetCode Camp website. Okay, then we start to solve this question in the LeetCode Camp website. Okay, now it has been created one column name by the name of ID, name, SEX, and salary. Now the ID, this is the column name. The ID type is int, means integer. The name type is varchar. The SEX means SEX type is enum, and then salary type is also the int. Now ID is one primary key. What? The ID is a primary key column with unique values for this table, and the SEX column is enum, category value of type MF. The table contains information about an employees, like if you have an office and there's employees has been worked, so it will be contain that type of information that has been in the table it contains. What's our task in today's video? We want to write a solution to swap all f and m values. For example, we change all f values to m and vice versa with a single update system. Okay, with single update, let's highlight single update statement and no intermediate temporary tables. Note that you must write a single update statement and do not, highlighted this word, do not write any select statement for this table. Do not. Okay. And now the result format is in the following example. Here's the result, means our output will come in this following example, in which following output like this step in this example. Okay. Here is given a salary table in which there is a ID 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the name is ABC, and the SEX is MFMF, and the salary is of A is 2,500, and second one is 1,500, third one is 5,500, and then fourth one is 500. And the output has been coming in the ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B, C, D, F, M, F, M. Like 2,500, 1,500, 5,500, and 500. Okay, this type of output has been coming. Okay, why this type of output has been coming? Let me tell you. Okay, you are thinking why this output has been coming, because 1, A and 3, C were changed from M to F, and 2, B and 4, D were changed from F to M. F to M, if you see here, means A to C, it has been changed to M to F. Here you can see in the input here I write A and C in F, but it has been changed it into the F, sorry, in M. Okay, means A to C. Here we written down this A to C, means A and C I am highlighting in blue color. Okay, A and C is in M, but it has been changed it into the F. Here you can see it. And B, let me highlight it in the pink color. B and D means 4D and 2B. It is an F, but it has been changed into the M. Okay, here you can see it like this. This type of one output has been come in my editor. Okay, so now let's try to solve this question, and our output must become like this. Okay, so now let's try to solve this question in the LeetCode website, and I hope you understand what is the meaning of this question means swap a salary. So I hope you understand it. So now let's try to solve it in MySQL, and it's a easy one question which we are solving, and total 5,79,000.7k people have submitted it, and only 4,87,727 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 84.1%. And this question and this topic this question is based on database. Okay, means like this type of question is already based on database. Okay, because these questions without data we did not solve it. Okay, mean if you do not have any data and you are solving this type of question, you do not solve it. Okay, because for these type of question you must have an and data. Okay, define update, and this MySQL we are solving this question, we are solving MySQL. His data has been stored in SQL, because SQL is just for language for a database. If you see here SQL, what is SQL? So it will be told you what is SQL. SQL a query and domain specific programming for manipulating within a data relation. Here you can see it is used for databases. Okay, so my data has been stored in SQL, and we are solving this question in MySQL. Okay, salary set SEX means SAC, and then equals to case SEX. Okay, now when we do this other thing, give the space here, and then when in the semicolon you define and then F, else M, and then end. So now we have written all the code. So like this type of little bit 6 line of code are only here. You can see it. So now let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now the running code has been accepted or not. So it has been accepted, and now the last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is also be judging. So it has been also be accepted, and be 47.40% people. So let's paste this solution like that. Let me copy this one, and then let me paste it here, and then post it. So I hope you enjoyed this video in which we solve our question number 627 by the name of swap salary. If you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And here you come onto my profile, and I successfully solved 651 question in January till August. Here we solved 251 questions successfully. Okay, and I have also one badge also which is included, and you must know these all the things if you want to solve any question of a LeetCode camp. So you must know these all the things. Okay, because total you must know the fundamental. Why you know the fundamental? Because the most of the questions are on fundamentals. Okay, means this easy question is in fundamental. The intermediate questions is on about these of the topics are included in the intermediate question. In the advanced question, these type of topics are included, and the easy one question, these type of topics are has been included. Okay, if you are solving easy questions, so you must know these all the things. Okay, which I am highlighting here, you can see it. And if you are solving intermediate questions, you must know these all the things in data structure and algorithm. And if you are solving advanced questions, so you must know these all the things. Okay, in data structure and algorithm. So now here you can see it, we solve our question, and you can also be start your streak from here. Okay, from here you can also be start your streak and solve it here daily. Okay, so now Let's meet in the next video, amazing video. And first of all, come to my channel by the name of Rayyan. So you have completed 4.5k subscribers successfully yet. So thank you for it. So complete 5,000 subscribers on this channel. Come on to the videos and please access my all the see my all the videos of a LeetCode camp, and then come on to the playlist and then come on to the master LeetCode camp playlist, and please access this playlist and bookmark it for more amazing tutorials. So now here you see it. Let me do the next video, amazing video like this type of, and please complete 500 views on this playlist. So now let me meet you in the next video, amazing video. So for today, goodbye.